Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to provide you with some details, some hints that you can look at in order to spot a phishing email. A spam email is usually unsolicited digital junk mail sent to you in bulk, and the intention is usually to advertise product or services. In contrast, phishing email is targeted cybercrime where the attackers impersonate a legitimate trusted organization to deceive you into revealing sensitive data like your passport or credit card number. In this particular example that you see on the screen, Google has already reported it as a spam and placed it in the spam folder here on the left side, along with others that I have received previously. However, phishing email is a message that is designed to trick you into giving away personal sensitive information. So let's take a look at the first clue, the subject line. It says here, warning, failure notice, we've blocked your account. It has a warning sign, and this is just to call your attention. Clue number 2 is where the email is coming from. The line here will tell you where is this email is coming from. Look at all this line here. This line tells you that it's coming from a website that is sitting in Australia. So let's now get into the body of the email. I want you to look at my mouse pointer here. When I have the mouse hovering over this area, nothing happens. But the minute I move it over the email, the body of the email, you can see here that it turns into a little hand, meaning that anywhere I click there, it's going to redirect me to an external site that is going to collect my personal information. The same thing will happen with unsubscribe. It's going to go exactly the same place. So all this email is designed to redirect you wherever they want you to go, which is an external website that is going to collect your personal information. So what do you do next? Because Google has already identified this one as a spam, it's not good enough. You need to tell Google that this is a phishing email with the intention of stealing your financial information. So you click here on this little dot on the top and then click here on report phishing, click on report phishing, and a pop-up will show up and explaining to you what it is and what's going to happen next. So you click on report phishing and that's it. So once this email is identified as a phishing email, it will send a copy of the email to Google Abuse Prevention System to analyze the threat and take the actions accordingly. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please give me a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have yourself a great day.